stop doom scrolling. 98% of Make Money Online clips end with you broke and binge-watching cat videos. I'm not here to sell you a rented Lambo. I'm here to hand you 3 boring, simple ways normal humans are clearing their first grand a month in 2025. No funnels, no 40-part playlist, no guru hand gestures. Freelancing is still the quickest on-ramp to online cash. Pick one micro-talent you use for free, writing product blurbs, trimming reels, color-coding spreadsheets, and list it on Fiverr or Upwork for $45 a pop. Skip the fancy site. 3 weekend samples beat a bloated portfolio. Niche until it hurts. Thumbnail packs for crypto YouTubers beats graphic design every time. Clients find you faster, upsells come later. First 3 moves. Jot down 5 favors friends already beg for, crank out 1 sample per, post the best with a 24-hour delivery badge. Answer buyer requests within minutes, and money can land in 7 days. An 8-page Google Doc checklist still sells for $27, 365 days a year. You build it once. Every sale after is 95% gravy. Start with templates, resume layouts, meal planners, Notion dashboards, anything that kills a single painful step. Host on Gumroad or Etsy Digital, price under 30 so the buyer doesn't blink. AI is your intern. Ask for 10 chapter ideas, expand each into bullets, export to PDF. First 3 moves. Stock Etsy bestsellers with 200 reviews, remix one in your own voice, drop a founding customer coupon for fast social proof. 10 sales a week equals a relaxed $1,300 a month. Content feels like watching paint dry, until one short pops for 28K views and an AdSense check hits while you in the shower. Pick one lane, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Faceless Instapage, and post a 30-second micro-tutorial every day for 90 days. Teach whatever you just learned. Edited a podcast? Share the 3 clicks that save an hour. Stack revenue layers. Affiliate link in bio. Plug your digital product mid-video. Grab sponsors once you pass 10K followers. The algorithm wants consistency, not cinema. First 3 steps. List 30 pain point questions. Batch record answers on your phone. Upload at the same hour daily. Clip 30 is when the snowball starts paying rent. Want the exact Upwork proposal that lands the first "you're hired," the Etsy product research spreadsheet, and a 30-day content calendar? Link below. Takes 10 seconds, costs $0, saves you 10 hours. 3 roads, 0 fluff. Freelance for cash next week, digital products for autopilot money, content for long-term freedom. Pick one, sprint for 90 days, and quit chasing shiny objects. Your future self is already ordering the celebration pizza. Open that Fiverr tab and start.